Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to cancel your subscription to the Fanduel Sports Network. So to do this, we're going to head on over to FanduelSportsNetwork.com, and I'll link this page down in the video description. But once we're here, what we want to do is click on Sign In the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, you're going to enter in the email and password that is associated with your Fanduel Sports Network account, and then we're going to sign in. Once you successfully sign in, then what we can do is click on our little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. That'll take us over to our account details page, and from here, what we want to do is click on where it says subscription. Then in our subscription page, we're going to click on where it says packages. And to cancel your subscription in this area, we can find where it says cancel and click on that. And then it might ask you if you'd rather pause your subscription instead of canceling it, but to continue to cancel, we can click that option here in the bottom right-hand corner where it says continue to cancel, so clicking on that. And then it says that your subscription has been canceled. So when you get to the end of your current billing cycle, it will cancel that subscription and you shouldn't be charged again. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful going through the step-by-step process on how to cancel your Fanduel Sports Network subscription. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.